Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2022 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky, and I came across this very cool Winnebago that's been turned into a race hauler I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it. Rampabago turns out what the name of it is. It was just finished before the 2022 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky. It was his maiden voyage. But how cool is that? There wasn't a ton of information. It's a 1970s Winnebago Chieftain. Father and son saw a rendering of this idea. It ate them up for a while. Finally, they broke down and bought a ragged out Winnebago. This thing was trashed and went to work. They said they didn't have a building big enough on their property even to put the thing in, so all the work was done out in the lot, on a parking lot driveway. I think they have a business in Louisville. Like I said, there wasn't much on it. That Rod Shop Collective is who built it, I guess. They have an Instagram page under that. I'm not sure if that's the name of the shop or if that's the name of the Instagram page only. You know me, I don't know nothing but cool, and tell me that's not cool. And you've only seen the outside. Wait till you see the inside. You'll be road trip dreaming, just like I was, man. I mean, this thing had me smiling, but when I looked inside, I was grinning at that point. I was like, this is hooked up, man. I mean, it's very simple. It's not like these new party buses, but it's just old school cool. You know, and you and 3 or 4 of your buddies going to a car show, got the Model A on the back. I mean, does life get any better than that? I would argue not. And this thing is now, go over to their Facebook page or their Instagram page and check out some of the pictures, because it was in rough shape when they got it. Looked like they pulled it out of the field or something. I dig it. And they say they're not done. I don't know what else they could do to make it any cooler, but I'm excited to see. They're local to Louisville, so next year I can hopefully check it out again and see you know, what changes have been made to it. But at this point, I would say just leave it alone. Step back from it with those changes. I dig the Model A too. It's very cool. I like that bead rolling over on the door and the louvers cut in the roof. The see-through valve covers. The whole package. I'm a fan. That's cool. And I knew y'all want to see it. Very nicely done, guys. I'm glad that you broke down and gave in and went forward with this project, because I think it was an absolute brilliant way to spend some money and some time. Yeah. I think it's powered by a Caterpillar diesel. Don't hold me to that, but from what little information I could gather, it said it had a Caterpillar transplanted into it back in '75. But way cool for sure. I do know that. So there you go, from the 2022 NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky, a 1970s Winnebago Chieftain, Rampabago. How cool is that? Hope y'all enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.